Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tomato paste. First, choose ripe, firm tomatoes for optimal flavor and texture. Wash and core your tomatoes thoroughly, then cut them into manageable quarters or eighths. Next, cook the tomato pieces in a large pot until they are soft and easily mashed. Finally, press the cooked tomatoes through a food mill to separate the pulp from the skins and seeds, creating a smooth puree. Now let's reduce that delicious tomato puree. Pour the puree into a wide, shallow pot. This surface area helps water evaporate faster. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently to prevent any sticking or scorching on the bottom. Keep cooking until the puree thickens significantly, transforming into a rich, concentrated paste. This process can take several hours, so be patient for the best results. Once your tomato paste is perfectly thick, it's time for canning. Reheat the paste to a hot temperature, ensuring it's ready for jarring. Carefully fill sterilized half-pint or pint jars, leaving precisely 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean, apply lids and bands, then process them in a boiling water canner for 15 minutes. This ensures a safe and secure seal for long-term storage. After processing, let your canned jars cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Once cooled, check that all lids are properly sealed. They should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your perfectly sealed tomato paste in a cool, dark place where it can last for up to 18 months, ready for your next culinary creation. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade paste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.